Hey guys, Ricardo with Phastek.com. If you're looking to level out your 2019 to 2020 Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500, then take a look at the ReadyLIFT 2-inch leveling kit. This kit will work with all Chevrolet Silverado and GMC Sierra 1500s, even those equipped with the MagRide system. Constructed out of a single piece of billet aluminum and machined with the proper taper to keep the correct strut angle, this spacer will easily give you the extra clearance needed to run a 33-inch tall tire. Installation is easy, but will require a lift since we are going to need to loosen some heavy suspension components. But once loose, the spacer will install right in place and use the supplied hardware to all bolt down. Jumping over to the installation, we are going to want to properly support the truck and remove the front wheels. First, we are going to start by removing the bolt holding the vehicle speed sensor harness to the upper control arm. This will allow for the extra movement without putting the harness under too much tension. Next, loosen the upper strut nuts. Doing this will release some tension that holds the strut in a firm, fixed position. Using a jack to support the spindle assembly, we can remove the upper control arm nut and lower the spindle assembly. With the spindle supported, we can remove the factory lower strut bolts and their mounting clips. Not supporting the spindle will cause the spindle to drop quickly when removing the strut bolts. After lowering the spindle assembly, we can get the clearance we need to install the ReadyLIFT spacer kit with the provided hardware. Ensure that the kit is installed with the ReadyLIFT logo facing the engine and is right side up. The installation hardware will install from the top side of the spacer kit and torque to the proper setting. Reinstall all factory components back to the factory location to complete the installation and repeat the process on the other side. There you have it, guys. ReadyLIFT has made it just that easy to level out your 2019 to 2020 Silverado or Sierra 1500. Now we can enjoy the extra clearance we need to run a larger tire without having to go through any heavy modifications. As always, thank you for watching. If you would like any more information about this product, go ahead and click the link in the description. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for our future videos.